Good morning. Actually, I think it's afternoon, but nonetheless, I was going to film a video while getting ready to film other videos today. So come along for this little ride with me today as we fix my office. Because if you can tell, seems like everything's a little bit upside down. So I've got you popped up on the tripod here, and this color clashing is driving me nuts. I'm gonna have to change before I go film. However, thanks to my brother, basically everything in this house has been turned upside down. So my brother is 4 years older than me, and he has never stopped playing jokes on me. And I would never, I wouldn't have it any other way. All right, so this is gonna go here. Is it straight? Now it's like everything is gonna be all messed up, but that's fine, totally fine. Next, how did he even do this? Oh, I guess it's not heavy. I was thinking this one was gonna be heavier, but this one, if you haven't seen it before, it says see the beauty in all the things. And that's what we're going to talk about today in terms of becoming a parent, having kids, and understanding the fact that when you have a kid, it is not just your kid. It's not your kid and your partner's kid. It is not just your core family. It's your entire extended family's kid. I will be totally honest and say that when I got married, oh, I forgot this had sparkles in it. When I got married, I was like, I don't know why people care. This is my wedding, it's mine and my husband's. Whatever we want is what we get. And I never really came around to that. I wouldn't say I was bridezilla-y. I just, I really didn't care about all of those little details. But then, ooh, this is a heavy one. Ooh! Okay, need to concentrate, hang on. A couple years later, I ended up getting pregnant, and I was like, yay, my husband and I are having a baby. Why is there cat food there? I literally just vacuumed. Okay, we're over here now. So why is this oh, it's a tag? I never took the tag off. I'm still not gonna take the tag off. I'm just gonna tuck it back in. Do what you love. Oh, that looks totally crooked. All right, so anyways, come with me around here. Let's get my lights. Okay, so when we were making our baby registry and all this stuff, people are like, you have to put more stuff on your baby registry because a lot of people wanna buy you guys things. And I'm like, I don't care about people that I don't know very well. I don't care about all the bells and whistles and getting a million different presents. And I don't want people that don't know me spending money on me and my baby. So then eventually, people just kind of got to me, and I added a bunch of things to my registry, and people were buying them. And in my head, I'm like, why are all these people who don't even know me, I'm the one having the baby. Ow! Why, that hurt. Why are these people buying me presents? And then I realized, it's not just my baby. It's literally, it takes a village to raise a baby, and it's the entire village's baby. I feel like peekaboo. Okay, so I wanted to share this message because it took me a really long time to realize that it's not just my baby, it's not just my husband's baby, but it's literally everyone's baby. And if you get into this phase or this mode of, don't touch me, don't touch my baby, give me, you can have your privacy, but share your baby, because you're gonna need these people in your village to help you raise your baby. And if you end up isolating yourself when you become a new mom, hello, guilty. But if you isolate yourself when you're going through this transition into motherhood, you're gonna end up regretting it. It's not raining, but gotta do cheesy corny things with umbrellas. I am not an expert in any of this lighting and technology and all of this. I just kind of set the stuff up and hope for the best. So with all of that being said, I just think that it's important that as a mom, sending a message to new moms or moms who are pregnant and you're expecting soon, just to open up your heart, open up your mind to not even just the possibility of like sharing your baby and like this human that you created. Like I used to look at my babies and I would be like, this is mine, it's all mine, I don't want to share. That's something that you can feel during pregnancy. Like you can feel your baby moving around in your belly and you don't have to tell anybody when the baby's kicking, even if people are going to be like, ooh, tell me when the baby's kicking so I can rub your belly like a weirdo. You don't have to tell them. Like that can be between you and your baby and that can be your moment. But when that baby comes out, just try to share. Try your best to, even if it's just a core group of people that you trust, do not isolate yourself. Do not become shut in your own little world of new momhood, because you're gonna need these people. You're gonna need a break. You're gonna need somebody to help you. You're gonna need, even if you feel like you don't need the help, like I felt like I had everything under control. And it wasn't until I had my third baby and he was about 8, 9, 10 months old that I was just like, oh my gosh, I have 3 kids under 3. What am I doing? Somebody help me. And at that point, I had isolated myself so much from other people around me that I feel like I really missed out on a lot of support that I could have had. I 110% highly recommend going to local resources, anywhere that you can find like some mom groups if you don't have like family and friends around. So I 110% believe that it takes a village and you need your village to support you and lift you up and just give you a break. And even if you don't feel like you need a break, just have somebody to have coffee with and, you know, like sit there with you while you're holding your baby, while your baby's sleeping, or whatever is happening in your life at that moment. Do not isolate yourself. This is my message to new moms as a freaking seasoned mom of almost a decade. Like I'm getting Facebook memories at this point of me being pregnant with my first, and that was 10 years ago. This October, he's turning 10. So if you're watching this video in real time, he's like 9.5 as of April 16th. Ugh, I don't even want to think about that. But so make sure that if you don't have a good close-knit group of family and friends around you right now while you're pregnant, go to some pregnancy meetup groups, find something online, go get yourself out there in your community, go to the library, go to story times when you have your baby, go out there and do things and talk to other parents, because 9 times out of 10, other parents are feeling the exact same way. And you don't have to do it alone. You don't have to go through motherhood alone. You don't have to isolate yourself. And if you're ever feeling isolated or like you are alone in motherhood, reach out to someone, reach out to me. I'm always here for everything that everyone needs. And I love being a support system and creating a community for moms to come together. I know I'm like not trying to exclude dads, but 90% of the people on this channel are female. So I think that's all I wanted to say. Kind of a long way to say a quick short message, but find your village, love them hard, open your heart, and let them in. Ask for help when you need it, because it takes a village. Keep blooming. Mwah.